Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. You probably noticed the rain. It's about to rain, but it's just drizzling now. So today we're just chilling, and then we decided that we just want to shoot. Well, I didn't decide. K2 decided she wants like a mini vintage photo shoot, and she asked that I shoot a few pictures. So I decided, well, let me take up the challenge and just see how what we can get from this mini photo shoot. So guys, stay tuned, and yeah, let's shoot some pictures. So guys, we're about to start. We chose this spot because of the car, and we think it will just fit the scenery,
the vintage theme.
Yes, and I'll be using the 24mm as an f2 and also the 50mm, but I think now I'm just gonna start with the 24mm first. Just see what kind of shots we get. Like I mentioned, it's a bit drizzling, but hey, rain is nice.
Should I turn on the car?
I think you can stand here first. Let's see what. Yeah. I didn't even set the camera. Bad. We're shooting manual, and I like to keep my f-stop as low as possible. And ISO 100.
I don't want to get dirty. I wiped it off a bit.
You can stand like just in the middle.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it. You're still setting, so you have to tell me.
So nice. I think that's nice. Try another one.
Leg like bend like this or down.
Put it on your. Give me the face. Then you can try one where maybe sit here. I don't know if you can. Is it?
Carry move for what? For what?
No, one way down. I don't know if you guys can see. Like just out. As if you're leaning back. See, however this is. We're using M6 to shoot the whole photo shoot. Just felt like testing it out because the cameras confuse us at times. Just to see what we get. The face, just out. That's okay. So we can try one where you're holding and I'm still using the f24mm. I think I like how it looks. How do that look, guys? What's this?
I wanted one where the French is going down, but and saw it down.
Let's try.
I don't break the windscreen.
I guess it's going to make me a bad photographer because now this is a challenge. Ah, that doesn't look nice. Let me
Does it?
let's try it. Ah, your eyes look weird.
Just try to put your hair.
Oh, it's fine.
Your hair gets off. This is hanging. Yeah, guys, it's dusty now. Raining, dusty, weather.
Still not using it. I don't think I'm gonna use it though. I think I like the look I'm getting from this guy. I'm just trying to shoot low as much as I can. Because yeah, I think that's fine.
Yeah, my favorite. Yeah,
Oh.
my favorite. Yeah.
The camera is getting wet. The lens has some drops, but I'm gonna leave those on the lens.
The drops.
Very good. One more. I think guys we are done.
Yeah, the rain is
Yeah.
making it a wrap.
As well. So guys, yeah, as you can see, the rain has interrupted our mini shoot, but I hope these turned out well. And yeah, guys, I thank you for chilling with us for that short. I don't know how many minutes it's gonna take, but yeah, thank you for watching, and do check our Instagram pages at K2KC Media and A.Bit.Of.Everything K2KC. And also you can follow us on Facebook, and of course don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave us a comment. Tell us what you think of the pictures, which one you like the most, and where we should improve, because yeah, you know, I'm a videographic kind of man. But yeah, photos do work for me as well. But yeah, let's call it a wrap. Thank you.